Good day, ladies. This video is for ladies. Maybe men who cares to know too. According to old wives' tales, sleeping with a bra on causes your boobs to droop. In contrast, legendary beauty Marilyn Monroe is said to have slept with a bra on every night to keep her breasts from drooping. Which is right? What do we follow then? Will sleeping with a bra on have any effect on the form, size, or perkiness of your breasts, for better or for worse, or does it have any other health implications? Breast sagging is an unavoidable reality of life for women as they get older. You may not escape it. Okay, check this out. Because the connective tissue that holds the breasts in place loses its suppleness with time, this is the case. Sagging breasts can be caused by a number of occurrences, including pregnancy, weight loss or growth, and maybe even high-intensity exercise. As a result, it's difficult to quantify the impact of wearing a bra to bed, especially when so many other factors are at play. Let's consider this from a scientific standpoint. The downward pressure of gravity on the bulk of your breasts causes sagging. Please like this video, subscribe and click on notification icon. Thank you. In terms of the breast tissue itself, if your bra frequently makes impressions in your skin due to being excessively tight, wearing it 24/7 will prevent the skin from recovering and rebounding, resulting in long-term indents in the tissue. Aside from the breasts, there's a lot going on in the chest area in terms of critical anatomy, from muscles to veins, lymph nodes to nerves. Your blood circulation to the breasts and surrounding areas may be restricted if your bra is excessively tight. A tight bra can also obstruct the lymphatic system's crucial role of eliminating harmful waste products from the body by restricting lymph flow to the many key lymph nodes around the breast and armpit. In conclusion, it's usually best to avoid wearing a bra in bed, especially if it's underwired, because it might interfere with your sleep quality. The bottom line is that there are many reasons why you shouldn't wear your bra to bed, but breast sagging isn't one of them. Because there is more fat within the tissue for gravity to operate on, larger breasts droop more. Gravity pulls the breast tissue back towards your chest instead of down towards your toes while you're lying down flat. So, putting on a bra is a good idea, the purpose of which is ultimately to support breasts from below. In bed, the breasts naturally compress back down onto the chest, making it unnecessary. Long durations of lying down, whether or not you're wearing a bra, should keep boobs from drooping over time, according to this gravity theory. However, this would necessitate more sleep than the typical 7 to 8 hour night, and who wants to lie down for 20 hours a day simply to keep their breasts perky when they reach menopause? I'm not one of them. So that appears to be the end of the sagging problem. It's unlikely to have any major impact. But what about the potential health risks of sleeping in your bra all night?